Hi guys, Pavel from Emotd speaking. In this unboxing video we have this magnificent Asus Strix XF 120mm fan. I almost break my tank before I pronounce it correctly. This fan has one exciting thing, and this exciting thing is the box. Because in my humble opinion, this box is more expensive than the fan inside. Look at this beautiful box! You can open it and read it like a book. So details about idle fan curve and how the fan looks inside, like a bearing and stuff like this. It looks gorgeous, but make this box probably was very expensive. On the back side, some details what we can find in the box and another pictures. So without further ado, let's go and check what's inside. I didn't open this box yet, so we need to check it out by opening the stickers. It will be operation. Oh my. Not that easy. Okay, first opened and second open. Perfect. So first, okay, that will be an easy opening because yeah, there is something, and it's a manual. Nobody cares. Perfect. What do we have? Another manual and the fan. The packing is beautiful. I like it a lot. And now we can see the fan, or at least I think that we can see. Yes, the fan. Quite nice. Rubber sleeving like Noctua always use. 4-pin PVM. Silent. It should be silent, and I will be talking about it a bit later. Oh, there is a sticker in front of the logo. Yeah, no RGB. That's fine. The fan itself is very light. Or maybe this way. It's better. What do we have next? Yes, anti-vibration mounting, splitter, and the screws. And that's everything what we got. Never mind. In the box. So now let's go and check the stats of the fan. About the technical stats of the fan. First, I found out that on the fan side, like here and here, there is a stickers which covers the aluminum plates, or how to call it, with the ROG Strix text, which is nice detail, but maybe it's a bit in too much, but whatever, if somebody like it, why not? Then where is RGB? I don't see any. And now about the stats of the fan. First, the size 120, quite obvious. Bearing type, magnetic levitation. Sounds perfect. I have no idea what does it mean. Fan speed RPMs, like 1800 RPMs. Pretty decent. Usually some kind of a mid-range, nothing special, but we'll see what the other stats are. Airflow, 62.5 CFM. That's, I would say, pretty solid for 1800 RPMs. So it indicates that this fan is static pressure optimized, so it will be good for your radiators or AIOs. But of course you always can use it just as a blower on your case. Static pressure 3.0 something. It's the number which I can expect if I have a look to the other numbers. So just perfect, just in line. I am very fine with that. And one of the most important things which I would like to highlight about this fan is the noise level. If you run it full YOLO, it means 1800 RPMs. It is only, and I really mean only, 22.5 decibels. It is very quiet, and I mean very, which is for me quite an important stat, and I very appreciate it. Thanks you Asus to bring this quiet fan. Input of the electricity, blah blah blah, not important. And that's from the stats probably everything important to mention. What I would like to a bit highlight is this small but quite perfect rubber corners, and that's probably everything. Expect the logo of ROG Strix on the middle. I have to admit that I really like it, like its shine. So if you have some RGB, especially the white one, it will shines like never. So I think that pretty good fan, and I like it. And with this kind of a bombshell at the end of the video, I would like to thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed. If you have any kind of a fan which you would like to be reviewed or unboxed, please let me know in the comment section, and please give it a like, share and subscribe, and see you with the next one.